predicting injury before it happens, 2 reviews describing where the field could go, and 1 study showing what has actually been built. 2 of these 3 papers are reviews describing the field's ambitions for AI-driven injury prediction. The third is a single primary study. Reading the study against the review's own stated open problems is a way of checking how far current practice has actually progressed toward what the field says it wants. As a narrative review, this paper surveys the field's stated direction rather than reporting one validated system, and it names its own open problems explicitly: data standardization, model interpretability, and generalizability across populations. Those 3 named gaps are worth holding against the next paper, a single primary study, to see how far current practice has actually closed them. This study runs directly into 2 of the exact gaps the previous review named. Its injury risk labels come from expert clinical translation of asymmetry evidence, not from confirmed injury outcomes, and its cross-sectional design cannot establish whether asymmetry precedes or follows the onset of strain. The reported accuracy describes how well the model reproduces expert judgment, not, yet, how well it predicts an actual future injury, which is the harder and more clinically relevant claim. The proposed fatigue compensation injury causal chain here is a hypothesis about mechanism, not yet a demonstrated one. Confirming it would require the same kind of prospective, longitudinal injury data that neither this review nor the table tennis study above currently has. The closed-loop, automatic intervention framing describes a target architecture the authors are motivating, rather than a system that has been built and tested end-to-end. Read together: the field's technical capacity, multimodal fusion, deep sequence models, novel sensing materials, appears to have moved faster than its evidentiary base. The one concrete study in this group is explicit that its risk labels are not epidemiologically validated, and both reviews name that same gap as an open problem. Closing it is likely to require prospective cohort studies more than new model architectures, though that remains a stated intention across this literature rather than a demonstrated result.